Alrighty, we are removing this fluorescent light for the kitchen. Super simple. Usually with these covers, they either slip back and forth or they have latches, so you just pull out the cover. Try not to break it, let's set it aside. Make sure it's off. Undo the light bulbs. Don't throw those away, you have to dispose of them. Don't want to put mercury into the environment. That would be bad. Okay, there's that. And usually there might be a screw here. If there isn't, then it's just a tab. Pinch and pull. There we go. And then you have one more up here. Pinch and pull. And there it is. Now we got the ballast. Everything else. So that's one terminal or two terminals. That's the other terminal. Here's the ballast. We're looking for these, the hot and the neutral. So go ahead and undo the hot. Oh, don't touch it. All right, undid the neutral. Make sure all these wires are disconnected. Really, you just want the main wires disconnected. So these are the wires we're looking at. And it looks like we got all of them disconnected. Putting them off to the side. The ballast wires are right here. And we need to get this neutral, or the ground, taken care of. This one's spaded. So now we got the ground removed. Now we need to hit the two screws that are supporting the whole thing. Oops. How'd that even happen? That's one. We have another one way over here. And there it is. Oh, looks like we got one more. Right there. Normally I'd say be careful, but usually on these large fluorescent fixtures, the wires are very difficult to feed through the hole. And so they'll hold up the whole fixture. So you gotta feed them through. And that's it. We have now removed an old fluorescent light fixture. It is now time to put in the new one, which is this, which is just the reverse. So I'm going to get it mounted up and then I'll wire it up. But first you have to punch a hole for the wires to go. So with this one, there's a hole down here, there's a hole right here. So I'll punch both holes out just to see which one's easier to get to. And then I'll wire it up.